this is Sandy Z and I'm giving back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new, we love having you here. Please subscribe so you can stay updated with everything that we do. Now today, again, we're going to learn a new letter sound. But before we start, I'm just going to quickly remind us the letter sound that we've done. So I will do the letter sound together with the action. And please do join me at home, okay? We did s. Did ah, ah, ah. We did E. Eh. K, k. We have curly k, and we have kicking k. And then we have r. All right, I hope you guys remember all of those letter sounds together with their actions. And one day, I am going to ask your moms and dad to send me videos of yourself showing me the actions and the letter sound. I know a lot of you cannot wait to hear today's story, and I'm one of those people. So, if you're really excited to hear the story, you know what to do. 3 things. 1, 2, and 3, which is my favorite. Sit nicely and get ready to listen. Here we go. Miss Morris and her son Marvin have invited his friends Millie and Molly for dinner. They are playing outside. When they hear the call for dinner, they come in, wash their hands, and sit down at the table. I'm hungry, says Marvin, rubbing his tummy. I hope it's spaghetti and meatballs. I hope it's hot dogs. Says Molly. I hope it's burgers, says Millie, rubbing her tummy as well. Are you rubbing your tummy right now? Come on, let's rub our tummies. Okay, let me carry on. Miss Morris come in carrying their meal. Lamb and peas, says the children. I like that the most, says Mrs. Morris. In this story, we heard a lot of the letter sound Remember, it's not ma, it's It becomes ma when it goes with a vowel a. So right now it's only Now let's carry on. Go grab your pen and paper so we can write words that have our letter sound for today. Remember, we have a word bank, so we will come to our bank and borrow our letter sounds to write more words for today. So this is how we write our letter sound for today. So let's dive right into it and think of the words that have the letter sound One of them is mom, you guys. Mm. Ah. Mm. Ah. Mom. And one of them is a girl. A girl. Mug. We also have a man. A a map. I know you guys can read these words now because you have been practicing all of your letter sounds. Well done if you managed to read all of these words. And if you did not, I know you are working very hard to be able to read, and I want you to know that you are doing a great job. I know moms and dads would love today's song because the children are spending a lot of time at home, and moms and dads do a lot of this one thing at home. Listen to the song. The moms and the dads make many meals. The moms and the dads make many meals for their hungry children. Isn't it true? Moms and dads are making many meals now that the kids are at home. Let me sing the song one more time.
And I'm hoping you will join me. The moms and the dads make many meals. The moms and the dads make many meals for their hungry children. These children are always eating.
The moms and the dads make many meals. The moms and the dads make many meals for their hungry children. You should stop being hungry all the time, children.
Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you love what we are doing and there's something that you would want me to include in my videos, please feel free to leave a comment, or you can send us a message on Facebook. Alternatively, you can send us a message to Joy and Grace Learning Academy. We would love to hear from you. Now, moms and dad, well done to you. Thank you for making those many meals during this pandemic time. Now, remember, do not forget to wash your hands, and if you go in public, don't forget to wear your mask and be nice to everyone. Until then, bye-bye and stay safe and warm.